Kooner and I study in Sindhya Kanya Vidyalaya. I'm in the 7th grade and I recently joined the Community Service Club in hopes to help my community excel in various aspects. Now, I really don't have any supermodel in particular, but I do look up to my mom who participates in various charity events and also donates to different places such as orphanages and also at home centers. The main reason I really joined the Community Service Club was because every single day I walk on the streets, I see so many animals and kids suffering, and I, as a human being, feel guilty of not helping them, even after knowing their situation. That is why I joined the Community Service Club in hopes to help my community in such ways. I can't wait for the journey ahead and I can't wait to endure all those skills they're going to teach us. Thank you.